You could start easing your back pain in the next 10 minutes by changing just 3 daily habits. If you are over 60 and do not know these, you might be locking in years of stiffness and sleepless nights you do not need to suffer. Many seniors quietly lose their freedom to walk, garden, or even sit comfortably because of these hidden back pain habits. Up next, we dive into clear promise. By the end of this video, you will know 3 specific habits you can use every single day to help calm your back, move more easily, and reduce those sharp morning aches. You will see how just a few minutes in the morning and evening may save you hours of discomfort later. I will walk you through what to start doing, what to stop doing, and how to make it realistic if you are 60, 70, or older. If getting out of bed takes you 5 extra minutes because your back feels locked, that is over 30 extra painful hours every year. Many people over 60 just accept this as age and quietly give up walking holidays, long car trips, or playing on the floor with grandkids. The real danger is not just the pain, but how it slowly steals your confidence and independence. Back pain often makes you move less, and moving less can actually make the pain worse within weeks. You might skip your daily walk, avoid stairs, or sit an extra 2 hours a day, and over a year that can add up to hundreds of hours of extra pressure on your spine. Many seniors do not realize that some common sitting and standing habits are quietly irritating their back all day long. Here's where it gets really important. Your first 5 minutes in the morning may decide how your back feels for the next 12 hours. Instead of rolling straight out of bed and shocking your spine, many people over 60 find it helpful to spend 2 to 3 minutes gently drawing one knee toward the chest, then the other, and slowly rocking side to side on the mattress. Wait, this next part might save you hours of discomfort every single week. Long sitting, even just 45 to 60 minutes at a time, can load your lower back more than you think, especially if you slump. Quick question for you, how many minutes do you think you sit without a break during a normal day? Under 2 hours, around 4 hours, or more than 6 hours? Type your guess in the comments, because simply being aware of that number is often the first step to changing it. Many people are shocked when they add it up and realize their back is under almost constant pressure. Most people skip this and regret it later. They go from TV or computer straight to bed without giving their back a chance to unwind. Many over 60 find that spending 5 to 7 minutes in the evening lying on their back with calves up on a chair or couch, so hips and knees are at about 90 degrees, can gently unload the lower spine. I recently saw a common pattern in many people in their late 60s who added these habits. Within about 2 to 4 weeks, they often reported easier mornings and could stand or walk 10 to 20 minutes longer before their back complained. This is the part that makes all the difference, avoiding the habits that keep dragging your back backwards. Many people do the right exercises, but then twist to lift laundry baskets, reach for heavy items from low cupboards, or carry shopping bags in one hand for 10 to 15 minutes, over and over. If you are over 60 and do not use these 3 habits, you might be living with more back pain than you need to. A gentle 2 to 3 minute morning wake-up, short standing breaks every 30 to 40 minutes, and a 5 to 7 minute evening unload can add up to hours of extra comfort every week. Consider trying them for the next 7 days and notice what changes in your mornings, your walking, and your sleep.